like 15 minutes and counting before check-in. Dave, are you excited?
I'm excited.
Get our coffee. Here we
Got
go.
coffee. Hey, say hi to the camera.
That's a new process, right? You kind of walk in and they kind of scan the number and tell you which elevator to go to.
Exactly.
Oh, that kind of keeps it from backing up, I'm assuming. So
It does, and you can't hit the button from here, so they
Right.
put.
There's no scanners or anything, so
You see that?
pretty good security.
No button. Hey there, world travelers.
Hey there.
I'm Tanya,
And I'm Dave.
and we are Turn It Up World. Welcome back to Las Vegas! We are so excited about today's video, you guys, because we're at the grand opening of the brand new Circa Las Vegas hotel.
And we're going to take you inside the new best hotel here in downtown Las Vegas.
And yes, it is, and we're gonna get this party started with this room tour, sort of a first look, first stay. You could already see some of the views from the floor to ceiling windows, but enough talk. You ready to get this party started?
I'm ready.
Let's rock! Hello, you guys, and welcome. What took you so long? I've been so excited to talk to you guys about this. Welcome to the grand opening of the Circa Las Vegas Hotel, and we are so excited to bring you into the first look of our room here, which is the corner studio pool view. And let me tell you guys, that pool view is worth saving for last. So let's start off with this here. I think it's really, really cool. It's like a pocket door, of course, with the signature Circa blue colors into the bathroom, which is so neat, you guys. I mean, you come right on in here. You got this giant sort of tiled all the way up shower here, and it looks like a rain style shower. Of course, it's got the bench seating in there, and it is huge. Look, stay right there. Hello.
Have a seat.
Hello. Party for four. Party
I
for
think
eight.
so.
Party for one. Okay. But it's really nice. Of course, they have the dispensers, you know, that go along with it. And I love everything's kind of color coordinated to like everything. You have like the copper, you know, sort of color here, or rosy gold, I guess you would say. Shower heads, which is nice. Of course, it's got the tile. I love this aspect. The tile looks like wood flooring, but it's actual tile. So it's super neat, kind of makes it feel a little bit more warming and inviting. The wallpaper is crazy funky, right? I mean, that's crazy funky. It's like throwback. Looks like a throwback Vegas sort of vibe. Of course, you got, now it's my favorite place to be. I'm not sure who that is, but it looks like some old school famous, you know, Las Vegas folks in there for sure, but super neat. Of course, we love the dual vanities, which is really nice to have for sure. And then they have sort of the kind of nice bench, as you can see down there, with the light for your makeup station. But it's really nice. I love this bathroom sort of vibe. Now, it's not big, but it's spacious. It does have a nice spacious feel. But come on over. What I like about this room is that it does have a lot of throwback, a lot of Vegas vibe with some modern features, and I'll show you those in a second. This is really neat, Dave. What does this remind you of?
Oh, I think it's really cool. It reminds me a bit of a shoe shine stand, right? You put your shoes underneath.
Exactly.
Right, a little classic.
I think that's exactly what it's for. You kind of put your shoes underneath here. They're pretty long, sort of like leathery type, which is really cool. And when you come in, this is so cool. It's like a little throwback kind of vibe here with the like the goldish color with the blue, you know, this sort of vibe in here. And I love the paintings, which you'll notice throughout here. This has like a 777, which opens up to a really kind of cool Las Vegas view. I think it's really neat. And of course, Dave, look, your favorite girl.
Oh my goodness, it's Vegas Vicky.
Vegas Vicky.
Now we're talking.
Now you're talking. Exactly. And it's really cool too when you walk over to this section. Look what we got.
What do we got over here?
We got a little champagne. Oh,
wow.
Maybe refill for me.
Oh, my goodness
champagne
gracious. Yes.
to kick things off. So cheers to you.
Cheers, my dear.
To a great evening.
Yep, to Circa Las Vegas grand opening of the hotel.
Love it. Cheers again. And that's not all. We can do a nice little refill because
what do we got?
yes, they give you like a complimentary sort of champagne. So you get a complimentary champagne. They give you 2 glasses with that complimentary champagne.
3 drinks.
And a goodie bag.
A goodie bag.
Let's see what's in the goodie bag, you guys. All right, so we got, make history Leave a Legacy, Circa Resort. And I'll open that up later with Dave with some champagne. Now, I will post some of this stuff on Instagram and our community space here on YouTube. So follow us at Instagram at Turn It Up World. Oh, wow.
Ooh, lucky dice.
You got Lucky Dice, Circa on there as well. Ooh, I'm gonna take a picture of that and post it on Instagram. You got you got an amenity care set. Nice. Little amenities. This looks really cool. This looks fun. I don't know what the heck this is.
What is that thing?
I don't know. Let's see.
Oh, wow, it's a gold bullion.
Wow, it is a gold, a new era Vegas, 18 karat gold plated, limited edition, you guys.
That is so cool.
That's really cool.
That's awesome.
It's basically a commemoration of Circa, and it's heavy.
That's cool.
Oh, is it real gold?
Wow.
But you get a refrigerator.
Ooh, the fridge.
This is sort of a nice desk here, which looks like it has a Korean countertop. But the fridge here has your little
some free waters. Plenty of space.
Refrigerator, you guys.
Yeah, and there's no mini bar.
Stack up, no mini bar.
At least not yet.
Not yet.
Right.
Maybe that might change. Corresponds for your ice. Now, you guys know. This bed looks really comfortable. But there's only one way to determine its comfortability. And Dave, what is that?
Well, that's the bed test.
That's right, you guys. It's time for the bed test. Okay, that is comfort with a capital C, okay? Isn't that comfortable, Dave? Wasn't that awesome?
Oh, it's great.
So I didn't mention, but I want to mention you guys get a little kind of bureau here for your jackets and things. We have our stuff in there. Little steamer. They don't have irons, so you get a little steamer.
There you go.
There's no irons, so you get a little steamer. And then you get a little safe, of course. This is kind of where we put our suitcases, but you get a little kind of gold safe. Everything has like matching color scheme to it. It's like total matching color scheme. Now, one of the cool features in this room as well is floor to ceiling windows. And it's kind of a panoramic view because we have a corner room. So let me show you guys first over here. So this kind of faces Binions. You got the Grand over there. Just another side of Vegas. Nice little wraparound. And of course the moon is shining bright on you. Shining bright on you. And me. It's gorgeous. But the best view of this room, which truly comes at a premium price, you guys. Come on over. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you really ready?
I think they're all ready.
Okay. So those views are amazing, you guys. I mean, it really makes you want to go down and hang out at the pool all day, and especially all night. Did you see that? How cool is that?
Very cool. I gotta say, the music is a thumping.
Oh, it's thumping.
You definitely hear the bass.
The music is thumping,
Yes.
and I think it's all night long. Music all night long, thumping.
It's gonna be party
especially on the
scene.
weekend.
Yes.
Nice big old TV that's on a swivel, so you can kind of turn it as you please. If you're sitting over there, you can turn it. If you're in bed, you can pull it out. So it's really cool. I love the, one more thing I want to mention about the bed. I love how it has this headboard. So like this tufted sort of headboard, which is really cool, controlled by your lights. And I didn't mention, you guys, everything here is done by a kind of a smart tech kind of computer screen as well here. So you got like an iPad. There's no phones in this room. You don't get a phone. So this little sort of iPad is everything. So you can basically use it to call anywhere downstairs, as you can see, and it'll ring from right here. So the bell desk, the front desk, the housekeeping concierge, you can hit those right there and it'll call downstairs, which is really, really cool. Sort of like state-of-the-art technology here. That's what makes it really neat. It's got like this throwback vibe with sort of modern touches. And this is neat. This is neat. You have basically it controls your lighting. So watch this, you guys. So if I wanted to say, let's turn off, put night lights.
Wow.
Oh, see,
I see you now.
That's a real night. That's
I
a
do
real.
adjust.
That's a real night light.
Yes.
The entranceway, and if you want to put them all on, bright lights.
Hello, where'd you come from?
Woohoo! So that about does it for this room tour, you guys. I will say
This is awesome.
Well, can I do this? Hold on, let's try it. Can I try it?
Oh, you can do it. Here we go. Work it.
Wait, one more
Work
time.
it.
One more for the road. One more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh!
Yeah.
I counted 10 for sure.
Well, we had a great time showing you this sort of first look into the grand opening of the Circa Hotel. We're so excited to be here. We're going to try and explore some more of Circa, see what's going on. But thank you very, very much. Really appreciate that. And guys, 1 second.
Much better.
Yes, much better. We have to say the corner studio room here at Circa Hotel is really great. They've done a great job.
They really have. It's awesome to see what they've done to these hotel rooms here, as well as what they're doing to transform the downtown Las Vegas area. It's absolutely beautiful. And of course, look, check out those views behind us, y'all. Fantastico. Well, we just wanted to mention a couple things really quick. We have an awesome Facebook group called For the Love of Las Vegas. If you want to join that group, you can. Information to that is in the description box below. There's a lot of people in that group kind of sharing their stories, answering questions, sharing videos, sharing pictures. Some people are here right now. Some people just got back and sharing their experience. You should definitely check out that group for sure. And if you made it this far, thank you very much. If you haven't done so already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get every time we post something new and exciting. As always, thanks for joining us, World Travelers, and we look forward to seeing y'all
In Las Vegas. And Circa.